Hello friends, welcome to my channel. In this video I'll show you how to make paneer at home. Paneer is also known as Indian cottage cheese. It's so simple and so easy to make, and homemade paneer always tastes much better than the store-bought one. Let's get started. Take a pan and add half a liter of full fat milk or whole milk. You should use full fat milk to get a good amount of paneer. Let it come to boil. In the meantime, have some lemon juice or some white vinegar ready and have it in the bowl so that it will be easy for us to use as soon as the milk starts to boil. Today I am going to use lemon juice, so I have extracted juice out of half of lemon because I am using a very big size lemon, so I am just using half of it. If you are using a small size lemon, you can use one whole fruit of lemon. And instead of lemon juice, you can also use white vinegar. That's completely your choice. The milk has just started to boil. You should not add anything now. Just wait for it to boil and come up very well. So at this stage, I'm going to reduce the heat to low and then quickly add the lemon juice. After adding the lemon juice or vinegar, just keep mixing it and you can very soon notice milk getting curdled. If it doesn't happen within few seconds, you can add little more of lemon juice or white vinegar and keep mixing it, and you should be able to see this. As soon as the milk got curdled completely, you can turn off the heat and allow it to cool down for a bit. Take a bowl and I'm going to place some wet cotton cloth on top of it and pour the contents carefully. If you feel it is too hot, you can allow it to cool down completely and then drain it. Now bring all the corners of the cloth together and you can drain that water. Just empty it, and I have placed the paneer again on top of the empty bowl. Now I am going to wash it with fresh water. Only then the strong flavor of lemon juice or either vinegar will go off from the paneer. So just wash it a couple of times so that it is out of that flavor. After that, bring all the corners of the cloth together and gently squeeze it to remove all the excess water. Now take a plate and place this cloth loaded with paneer on top of it, and then you have to place some heavy object on the top. I'm using the mortar and pestle. You can even fill a bowl full of water and place on top of it, and you have to allow it to remain for at least 2 to 3 hours. Only then the paneer will get set and you'll be able to cut into small pieces. It's been almost 3 hours now. Let's take off the weight and see how the paneer has set now. All the excess water will come off and you can see it has been set very well. Look at it now. So I'll show you how to cut it. So you can place the paneer on the chopping board and you can cut them into your desired shape. I'm going to cut it into small cubes. Since I've used just 500 ml of milk, I'm getting only this much of paneer. If you want more paneer, you can use more quantity of full fat milk. See how beautiful it has come out. I'll show you how soft it is. See how soft it is. Homemade paneer is always the best, I would say. So do try this simple recipe at home and post your comments. If you like this video and if you wish to watch more such interesting recipes, do subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.